Okay, so the first thing we're going to do in this exercise is to find some problems that your audience is having that you know that you can solve with your offer. And the way you want to do this is you can brainstorm, absolutely, if you prefer to do it that way. But what I do recommend doing is to actually try and find the language, try and find what your audience is saying about the problems that they're having. And some places to look to get this kind of stuff is you can look at your own testimonials and reviews. You can, and if you're not doing this already, I would suggest you start doing it going forward, is to record and then transcribe all the calls that you have with potential clients. So your discovery calls, any market research calls that you do, because that's where you can get lots of real insight into the issues that your audience is having so that you can then meet them where they're at with your offer. You can also look at what's being said on your competitors' websites. And if they've got a similar offer to you, you can see how their clients are talking about how the problem was solved for them. And another great place for this is to go into Facebook groups where you know your ideal clients hanging out and just observe the comments, the questions that are being asked. Now, it's outside the scope of what we're doing in this workshop, but what I help my clients do is create something called a messaging matrix, which is a document that contains a swipe file with all this language. And inside the CCT Academy, I've got a whole sort of section on how to do that. But for the purposes of this workshop, this is just kind of high level overview. And so all you really need to do for this exercise is to just have a look around, look into your testimonials or whatever. It shouldn't take you too long. And then grab some of the language that your audience is talking about, and the way they're describing the problems they're having. So these examples here, these are things that were said to me either on market research calls or, like I say, in my discovery calls that I've had with my clients. But these are literally words that people have said to me about the things that they're struggling with in relation to writing about their offer or explaining what they do. And so for this exercise, this is all you need to do. Literally just find 3 statements, 3 phrases, 3 ways that they're describing it, and just copy and paste it into here using their exact words. That's all you need to do. And so I've put a little space here where you can put it in. And then in the next lesson, I will be showing you what we're going to do with that language now that we've got it.